Not necessary.
Cord you all I want, boo. You too, fool. Right. You're a pedophile. Pedophile, monkey looking.
Want to see a picture of a pedophile? There he is.
Oh, you?
Uncle Jerry's
He looks
picture
like
looks.
you, actually.
Dude, they're like, they're completely.
Want to see one? Yeah.
Are you
Call my
gonna
friend
be
Ethan.
a
Oh my god, they're all decked out.
Okay, Jaden. How could this? Jaden.
Shit,
What
bro.
would happen
my,
if today was yesterday? Friday the 13th.
That's my
you
dad.
Set off the fire alarm.
Got it for Christmas.
Our ants. I swear to God, if you're trying to find the one picture.
Crap.
I
I don't know what that is.
Did you take a video too?
I think I accidentally took that. Oh yeah, I didn't. Oh yeah.
Pedophile.
Just some inappropriate pictures. You want to see a pedophile?
I swear to God. Oh, I know it. No, I knew you. No, go back to the EJ one. Go back to the EJ one. I want to the right one. What? No, go back, go back.
No.
I wanna get a good video.
You gotta see one. This one. Pedophile confirmed.
EJ. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No.
I do EJ's thing.
No,
Dude, you
I
guys
know
send
one.
it.
I know
Send it
one,
to
I
the
know
group
one.
chat.
Okay, I know this guy.
Oh, that's Nick.
That's Nick.
Nick confirmed. Oh my God.
Nick? Who's Nick?
A pedophile. Telling kids a pedophile.
This is Nick Nickelodeon!
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon.
Go!
It's kind of funny. I gotta get good shot.
I don't know where my All-Star.
They're all decked out and all already. Now we just need the maintenance, so I can only do 2 videos. Oh, hey! I'll juke you, okay? Stiff arm.
You went against them? Or went against them?
The life of a pedophile. Hey! Hey, you wanna play some ping pong?
I'll play basketball.
Play some ping pong. Dude,
Bro.
it's